let's take a quick look at this one. Consider the following reaction equation. X reacting X as a gas reacting with Y as a gas to produce what? S and what? S and Y. And the enthalpy change here is what? Plus 220 kg per moles. Now, they are saying that if the temperature of this reacting equation is increased, what will happen? The option we have, backward reaction will be favored, forward reaction will be favored, reaction will stop, and what? Reaction will be at what? At equilibrium. Now, one thing you should understand is that when you see a reacting equation like this that has two signs like this, one going front, one going back, it is a typical chemical equilibrium. And now we have two different type of chemical reaction. We have endothermic reaction, and we have what? Exothermic reaction. In our previous video, we have already looked at exothermic and endothermic reaction. For those who are watching this video for the first time, just subscribe to Ojema YouTube channel. You will see a video concerning endothermic and exothermic reaction. Now, this equation, because the enthalpy, this sign is what? Enthalpy. Because the enthalpy change here is positive, it means that it is what? Endothermic reaction. Are you following? If this enthalpy change, this symbol is, if it is minus, for instance, I will say that here is minus, it would have been what? It would have been exothermic reaction. But since it is positive, it is what? Endothermic reaction. And now in endothermic reaction, according to Lechettler principle, it said that anytime external constraint, what are these external constraints? We have temperature, we have pressure, and we have what? Concentration. Anytime they are imposed on a chemical system in equilibrium, the equilibrium will shift in order to what? To neutralize the effect or the constraint. Now, this temperature in this chemical equilibrium is increased. What will happen? What will happen? Like I said, there are two major things. We have endothermic and exothermic. Anytime temperature is increased in endothermic reaction, the reaction will shift to the right. Do you understand? The reaction will what? Will shift to the what? To the right. But whenever the temperature is decreased, it means that the reaction will shift to the what? To the left. Are you following? That is in endothermic reaction. While in exothermic reaction, each time the reaction, the temperature is increased, the reaction will shift to the left. Why? When it is decreased, it will shift to the what? To the right. Let me not confuse you. Let me take it again. In endothermic reaction, endothermic, because of what? The enthalpy change here is what? Positive. Anytime temperature is increased in endothermic reaction, the reaction will shift to the what? To the right. Are you following? The reaction will shift to the what? To the right. But by the time in that same endothermic reaction, anytime the temperature is decreased, the reaction will shift to the what? To the left. Now, if you look at it, we have two reacting equation here. We have the right hand side and we have the what? The left hand side. If you look at me, this is my right and this is my what? This is my left. So this is my right. So when you increase the temperature, this right side will be what? Will be favored. But by the time you decrease temperature, this left side will be what? Will be favored. So now this right hand side is what? Is it backward reaction? Because here they didn't say the right side is favored or the left side is favored. They only use, according to the reacting equation, they say the backward reaction is favored, or what? The forward reaction is what? Is favored. So this one now, this sign now represent what? The forward reaction, while this one represent what? The backward reaction. So like earlier illustrated, when you increase temperature, the equation what? The right hand side will be what? Will be favored. And if you look at me, I'm standing like this. So this is my right and this is my what? Left. So this side will be what? Favored. Are you following? In endothermic reaction, if you increase temperature, the right side will be what? Will be favored. So it means that the equation what? The right side is this arrow that is pointing what? The right hand side. So this right side will be what? Favor. So the answer is the backward reaction. This one is backward, this one is what? Forward. So the backward reaction will be favor. So our correct option is what? Is A. For more of this video, subscribe to Ojema YouTube channel, or you can follow us on. Thank you. Bye bye.